But 3 Tage geblieben zu Chanukah, you gotta stop in the Heritage Silver. David, what do we got?
Chanukah, lass mich wasen. Hast du a beautiful selection just from traditional menorahs. Man kann werden dizzy just for kicking off so from menorahs.
Gorgeous pieces.
Alle sizes, different types. Sure, give a kick.
Beautiful.
Du hast a beautiful selection just for the modern lovers.
Modern lovers.
Beautiful.
Heritage is your place. Look at that detail, dude. In the Zeige, dude, the feiglich. Stunning, stunning, stunning. Wow. Gorgeous pieces. When it comes to accessories, David, you're not gonna tell me that Heritage is the king when it comes to accessories. Whatever a person can think of, likduf and dreidlich. Zeigers, krieglich, give that torch do with the fire do. Wow, whatever you think of
And
is
if you
here.
von etwas nicht doen, es machen. Schick a message and consider it done.
What do you mean? If somebody thinks of an idea?
Fragst von etwas messages und es machen es für dich.
Wow. Okay, look at their wrapping. When you send something, a friend, a gift, look at they wrap it. Gorgeous over here.
Can poem auch.
Can sie like a poem?
Es machen alles.
Du mit Donnerstag, Freitag, Albatuk und Sintig open. That's it.
Sintig und Donnerstag dann auf morgen bis 8. So ist gaan das special für dich. Komm mal am Morgen, Menschen gaan Perlowitz, bekommen the beautiful Tweezer. Usually it's 125, jetzt ist 99, bekommen days. It's a beautiful shiny money clip. This is usually $80, bekommen es jetzt für 60.
Wo ist mit einem kennen schon ankommen in the location?
Sure, kannst email, WhatsApp, message.
Ich habe schicken WhatsApp 845-774-8468 and consider it done.